Okay, so we've been playing with the list and spreadsheet page. So I'm going to choose that page and I'm going to demonstrate some skills. So if I pop some numbers in here and I want to add up these numbers, to tell the spreadsheet I'm about to do a calculation, I need to use the equal sign. And I can say add up 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus another 8, and it will do that for me, but it's not a very useful way of adding up those numbers. Because if I change this number to 33, it does not change the total unless I change this number to 33 as well. So a much more useful way of asking the calculator to add up numbers is to say equals sum, add up, whatever is in cell A1 down to, which is a colon, cell A4. And it gives me the same total, but this time if I change this to 88, it changes the total. If I change this to 2, it changes the total. If I change this to 300, it changes the total. So by telling the calculator sum whatever is in A1 down to A4 is a much more useful way of saying the particular number in a particular cell. Okay, the other skill that I showed you was a copying skill. So if I click on the word hello and I hover in the bottom right hand corner, it turns to a little cross. And if I control click, I can copy that down. Now that's easy for me to do on my laptop screen, but it is not easy for you to do on your little screen. So a much easier way for you to copy is to click on the word, to control menu, to choose fill, and then to just click when you've got as far as you want to fill. Okay. The second skill I showed you is one of the skills I showed you is if I want this number copied down to over here, I can simply say equals show me whatever is in A1. And it will simply take that number and copy it down here. And lastly, the activity that we did, I'm going to start a new page. I'm going to put some headings in. Hours, pay rate. It doesn't like 2 words as a heading. You need to make it 1 word. And total pay. Okay, actually, I am going to move those across because I've got Jenna, Sam, and Pete. And Jenna's going to work 8 hours in her shift, Sam will work 6, and Pete will work 7. They're all different ages, so they're all going to get different pay rates. Now I can work out Jenna's pay. How many hours she works times how much she gets per hour. Equals whatever is in B2 times whatever is in C2. Okay, so now if I change Jenna's pay rate, it changes her total pay, hours. If I change her pay rate, if she gets a pay rise, it will change her total pay. Did I make a mistake?
You put C3.
Thank you, I did. There we go. It's changed her pay rate. Okay, so if her pay rate drops to 15, if her hours increase, it's changing. Because I've said take whatever is in B2 and multiply it by whatever is in C2. Now if I use my copy down trick, if I do control menu and fill, click to there, notice the calculator has the good sense to say, oh, B3 and C3 and B4 and C4. It automatically changes it for me.